Planning your next adventure in 2025? A reliable travel adapter is essential for staying connected worldwide. With so many options out there, it's hard to know which one is worth your investment. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Ceptics 70W World Travel Plug Adapter. This is a reliable and versatile option for global travelers. Compatible with plug types from over 150 countries, including the US, UK, EU, and Australia, it's perfect for anyone on the go. With 3 USB-C ports, 2 USB-A ports, and 1 AC socket, it can charge up to 6 devices simultaneously, making it ideal for professionals, digital nomads, and families. Its power delivery and quick charge 3.0 technologies ensure fast charging for devices like laptops, smartphones, and tablets. The adapter is durable and features a smooth, intuitive plug mechanism for stable, hassle-free use. The only drawback is that it's not a voltage converter, so UK travelers should use a separate converter for high-voltage products like hair dryers. Number 2. Epicka Universal Travel Adapter. If you're on a budget, the Epicka Universal Adapter is a great alternative to our top pick. It includes 4 international plugs, covering over 150 countries, including the US, UK, EU, and Australia. With 4 USB-A ports, 1 USB-C port, and 1 AC socket, it allows you to power or charge up to 6 devices simultaneously. Plus, it's lightweight and compact, making it an ideal choice for travelers looking for an affordable and efficient solution. Number 3. Apple World Travel Adapter Kit. If you're an Apple user, the Apple Travel Adapter Kit is a smart choice for your iPhone, iPad, and MacBook. It's optimized for Apple's USB-C power adapters, MagSafe, and MagSafe 2 power adapters, as well as 10-watt and 12-watt USB power adapters. The kit includes 7 AC plugs, covering power points in countries like North America, Japan, China, the UK, continental Europe, Korea, Australia, Hong Kong, and Brazil, making it perfect for global travelers with Apple devices. Number 4. Ceptics 220V to 110V Travel Voltage Converter. If you're traveling from a 110V country like the US or Canada to a 220V country such as the UK, France, or Australia with high-voltage appliances like hair dryers, a step-down voltage converter is a must. Our top pick is the Ceptics 220V to 110V Travel Voltage Converter. It safely powers devices like hair dryers, straighteners, and curling irons, and also functions as a multi-device charger with 3 USB-A ports, 1 USB-C port, and 2 AC outlets. Compatible with over 150 countries, including most of Europe, Asia, and Oceania, it works with various plug types A, B, C, E, F, G, I. Designed for devices under 200 watts, this converter provides surge protection and overload prevention for added safety. While great for high-powered devices, it's not suitable for electronic hair dryers like Dyson models or devices exceeding 200 watts. Number 5. Skross World to South Africa Travel Adapter. If you're traveling to South Africa, Botswana, Lesotho, Mozambique, Namibia, Swaziland, or Zimbabwe, you'll need an adapter for the Type M socket used in these countries. Unfortunately, most universal or worldwide adapters don't cover this. The Skross World to South Africa Travel Adapter is a perfect solution. It's lightweight, affordable, and works in over 220 countries. The adapter splits into 2 parts, allowing you to keep the Europe plug separate from the other global adapters. However, note that it doesn't have USB ports and isn't a voltage converter. So, which is the best? The Epicka Universal Travel Adapter takes the crown. With its wide compatibility, compact design, and built-in safety features, it's perfect for global travelers.